Many people seem to believe that compared to other pets, fish are easy to take care of, at least when it comes to their feeding needs. But only a fish owner truly understands the hassle involved in ensuring that a balanced diet gets to the fish in the right amount at the right pace. Plus, with the million other things taking up your bandwidth through the day, just ensuring that these silent creatures get their daily dose on time can be a challenge at times. Wouldn't it be great if there was a device that could make this whole process smoother, sharing the load of your fish feeding chore so that you could get on with other important things? Our product for today, the innovative Marine 939032 Aqua Gadget Gourmet Defroster Feeder, is a very effective solution in this department. Let's take a quick look at it.
Here we go!
This gourmet defroster is a fast, effective, and simple way of feeding your fish frozen food. This patent-pending device takes out all the frustration from frozen food feeding and packs a number of features to save you time while ensuring a regular diet for all your fish at home. You just need to drop a cube of frozen fish food into the defroster and let its 3-in-1 magnet-mounted system thaw, separate, and dispense the food all by itself. That's time saved on 3 separate tasks every day. The defroster's open-close pivoting design gives you an adjustable release setting that allows for portion control and the ability to regulate the amount of food that is released into the fish tank. This keeps more food in the mouth of fish and less in the filter. The pace adjustment of the release also means that not all the food reaches your fish at the same time, giving the fish time to consume the food in the right manner. With the Gourmet Defroster's easy disassembly, it also doubles up as a feeding ring for freeze-dried and larger floating frozen food. When combined with the Gourmet Grinder, you can feed flake and pellet food, adding variety and a balance of healthy nutrients. The defroster's ring also corrals the food in one place, so that it doesn't drift all around the tank. This has the double benefit of keeping your fish better fed and keeping the tank cleaner too. So if you have been feeling guilty for not being able to feed your fish properly because of your hectic lifestyle, this gourmet defroster could be just the thing you need. The versatile device works for salt or freshwater fish and can be used for frozen, pellet, flake, or freeze-dried food. The mechanism is simple to get a hang of, and the material is durable enough to serve you efficiently for a long time. Let's check out this wonder device's scores in the customer reviews. It has earned an average score of 3.6 on 5 stars, which is fairly commendable. Some negative reviews are from fish owners who feel that this works well with docile fish, but not when one or more fish in the tank are aggressive, as they can figure out where the food is coming from and hog all of it, causing the other fish to suffer. This might also not be very effective for large tanks, but works really well for standard aquariums seen in most homes. That's about all we have on the innovative Marine 939032 Aqua Gadget Gourmet Defroster Feeder. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews for innovative gadgets here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.